Hello, and thanks for joining me on another radio adventure. I'm out here at Black Mountain Nature Reserve. You can see behind me Telstra Tower. I'm going to go and find a spot now and set up, and we'll see what we can find on 40 meters.
Charlie Oscar Tango Tango. Location Chris, Sisters Beach, 100 watts loop antenna, and you're 5 and 8 on peaks 5 and 9, Chris, over.
Thanks Scott. Just running QRP here from an FT817 with an end-fed antenna, and I'm in Black Mountain Nature Reserve, VKFF0834, pretty much in the centre of Canberra, over.
Excellent contact, mate. Thanks for your efforts. 44 and good luck.
Thanks Scott. 7344.
Echo 1 Charlie Tango Corner, it's 7 Delta Whiskey. You're in and out of my noise. You are a 3x7 there, Chris. If you can repeat my signal report a few times, mate. Thank you.
Okay, it's time to head home. Only made a few contacts, but the enjoyment is being out here, being outdoors. So from that aspect, it's been a perfect afternoon. I'm about to head back home on the bike, about a 15k ride, and should be riding off into the sunset. It's quite a lovely afternoon. Thanks for being with me, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers for now.